Hello teachers, welcome to this tutorial. In this time, we are going to learn how to use Quizizz and how to create an evaluation in a different way. This is also related to gamification. If you want to use this one for gamification, it's a great tool as well. But in this case, we're going to use it as evaluation. Indeed, all the tools are related, so they have a lot of advantages, so we can use them according to our necessities. Okay, first we're going to go to Google, or in this case my tool is this platform. So then you write Quizizz and you choose the first option. To sign up, as I said before, just go ahead with your Gmail account. Okay, you sign up, and if you want to create your account, you click on sign up, and then you're going to enter or log in with your Google account. Okay, so now I'm going to start session because I already have my account, but I'm going to start again. So here is login, where says enter code. Your students could enter a code here to join a game, join the quiz, and you can play it in a live session as well, or you can assign as homework. So you can introduce memes as well in this activity, so it is grateful. Okay, now I click here to continue with Google. Then we are going to choose the account, in this case my name. So then you can start creating your own activity, okay? But also it has a lot of things or tools that you just look for them and apply it. But in this case, you are going to create your own activity. So first you go here where it says create. You can create a lesson or an exam: English, world languages, science, physics, chemistry, biology, social studies, geography, all these options that you have. In this case, I'm going to do an exam, and I'm going to choose English. Okay. My name, sorry. This could be, I'm going to evaluate my students in their daily routine. Okay, so now I go to the next one, and we're going to wait for some seconds. Okay, and here we can choose the option that we want, like to fill out, to multiple choice, whatever we want. Okay, so here I'm going to choose to fill out. Here starts my question. This is the first one. I'm going to add my question here, and then the answer. I'm going to write here the answer that I need my students add when they are going to do this game. Okay, here I wrote my question and the answer that I need my students need to choose or should choose. Okay, my mom at 5 a.m. My mom wakes up at 5 a.m. because it's daily routine, right? Here I can add the points like from 1 to 4 in this case just 1. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. Okay, I have my first question. So now I need to add another one. So here I'm going to choose what I want to add: multiple choice, or like order a question, whatever. Here are the options. I'm going to add multiple choice. This is the second question. Okay, I'm going to add my question here and here the options of the answers. Then don't forget to select what is the right answer. Okay, so it has to be green like this. So this is the right answer. So I'm going to fill out and then I'm going to show you. Okay, here is my question. You like pizza? Here I just leave a space, okay? Here I have the options and I select the right one, okay? So I can add more options for this question. I can add a picture, I can add audio or video as well, okay? So this is like the question, and here I can fix or set up the time if I give them like 1 minute, 45 seconds to think about the answer, okay? But in this case it's so easy, I'm just at like 30 seconds. Okay, when you finish, you click here where it says save, and you are going to have your game, okay? You save it again, you can add an image here and you can play it, okay? But in this case I'm going to save it. Here I'm not going to add an image, so I'll just save it one more time. And as I said before, this is not only for kids but also for students at university or any other place where you want to apply these kind of tools. So now you can choose here the age of your students or their levels, and now you can save it. Okay, so now you have your game or your activity. You can assign as homework or play it like in a live session, and you are going to do it. It is similar to the other tool. You just enter a code, your name, and you are in the game, okay? So this is really good for our students because they are not thinking that they are in an assessment, or they say like, oh no, I didn't study. No, they are going to concentrate in the game, in the questions, but they need to practice as well, and then they can work with this assessment, okay? So this is really good and I hope you like it. Try to create your own activity with Quizizz. You can add different questions depending on the level of your students. If it's for the university, that will be great because it's another kind of assessment, okay? So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it is helpful. At the end, you just choose one option, okay? And that's it. You play it, enter a code, and you join again. You can have fun while you are testing your students. Thank you so much for watching it. See you.